it's Taren. Welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited for this video. My first ever Nadine West box package. It's not really a box. A lot of y'all have suggested that I try Nadine West. I finally bit the bullet. We're going to test it out. So this is my very first package that I've ever gotten from them. I don't know what's in it. They don't give sneak peeks on the website. So all I did was pop this open, and it's been sitting here waiting for me to have time to open it and try everything on. So I thought it would be fun to do a true first impression with y'all and pull it all out for the first time, look at it, and then try it on. You can see a little bit in there. Ooh. I know I got my email that said, hey, your items have shipped, and so I looked to try to like sneak a peek. Alright, so first, this is what it looks like. I'm going to put this package down. I guess this is my receipt, or my like item list prices. Anyway, but it said if I kept everything, it was only 123 bucks. But I only see 2 things in there. But it was free to get this shipment, so I figured I would try it out. Oh, maybe there's more than 2 things in there. Alright, it's wrapped in little pink paper. Oh, maybe there's more than I thought. Alright, so let's see. I did fill out a style profile, like similar to other boxes. But I don't know if they send you an outfit or what. Alright, first thing is a tank top. Yes, this is a black tank top. Okay. It's not bad. Is it like a shapewear tank top? Like it feels... It's from the brand Zena Outfitters. Size 2X/3X. I think it's like tight almost, like it's meant to be like a Spanx dupe kind of thing. Okay, it's called Not Your Grammys Cami for $19.99. Next we have, ooh, this is the same brand, Zenana Premium 2X. Is this a dress? I think, yep, there's pockets. Look at this pretty color. Okay, okay. It looks a little short for me, but I love this color. Let's see how much this dress is. The dress is called the Alex dress, and it's $29.99. Next thing we have, oh, is this a pair of workout like leggings? Show, check me out. You will love it. 3X. Yeah, these are like, ooh, I like that detail. These are like little workout capri leggings. They don't stretch very far, and they're very see-through. Oh, they've got a little slot for your, like, phone. Okay, these aren't bad. This says bottoms. Let's see how much these are. Bottom, mesh arrow capri, $26.47. Okay, these are a big fat no. Like, they don't come up high enough in the back. Like, maybe my back side is just a little bit too rounded. And this black tank top is real tight. Like, I expected it to be tight. And I don't like it. So yeah, this one is going to be a no as well. So the pants and the top so far are a big fat no. And the last thing we have is this dress. I love the pockets. It actually fits really well. Does it kind of make me look like I'm 12 though? I don't hate it. I don't hate it. How much was this? Like $29.99? And the last 3 things in my box are jewelry pieces. So let's start with, let's do this, the earrings. These are called the Silver Pirouette earrings. They're $12.99. Is it weird if I put it in my ear? Okay, those are pretty. Next thing I want to pull out is the necklace. It says this is a layered necklace. It's $24.99. I love layered things. The only thing is, like, these always tend to get so, yeah, like bunched up. I feel like it's all knotted up. Okay, I think I got it. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so it's a wishbone, a little circle pendant with a rhinestone, and then just a circle. I really, really like this layered look, though. That's really pretty. For $24.99, I think I said. Yeah, $24. It's called Layered Luck. $24.99. That's really pretty. And the last thing is this lavish silver bracelet. I think it says $14.49. Yeah, $14.49. Okay. Oh, they hook it together so that it stays together. Okay. So this opens to put on. Okay, okay. Got it. How am I supposed to get this thing on? Oh, there's 3 in there. Okay, I'm going to go cut this and then we'll be back. So I've cut it, but I can't get, like, this is beautiful, but it doesn't open and I can't get it on my wrist, you know? So this, unfortunately, is going to be a no-go. I wonder if I can keep pieces of it. Because that's a pretty, just like, dainty bracelet. The claws are a no-go for me. The only thing I really care for is this layered silver necklace. So I'll probably end up keeping that because I'm always looking for layered things like this. The workout pants were a no-go. The top, like the tank top, it's not me. The dress is pretty, but it wasn't like, it didn't wow me. The bracelet was too small. The earrings were okay. This, though, is very pretty. So I'm going to probably send everything back but this. Let me know what y'all thought about my very first Nadine West box. Let me know if you want me to do another one. I will. Like I said, there's no styling fee. So you get this box for free. You just pay for what you keep. So let me know if you want me to do another one. Maybe it takes a couple times for the stylist to kind of understand you and understand what you like. Alright, so that is a wrap on this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye!